Mr. Topic giver, fellow Toastmaster friends. I remember an incident which happened with me in 2008. There was this wonderful person who introduced me to Toastmaster called Mr. Kathi Raman. In short, Khatri. Everyone used to call him Khatri, I don't know for what joy, but he is known as Khatri more than Kathi Raman. So this person, I was doing my MBA, I was in MBA final year. So this person one day comes to our college, talks to our principal and says, I am attempting a Guinness record and I want some of your students' help. And obviously, in the entire class of 80 people who were there in MBA, marketing plus finance together, I was the only person who was interested because I would like to be out of the class most of the time. They used to call me outstanding student also a lot of times. So I came and I said, sir, I would like to help. Then we sat down and then they said, this is something which we are going to attempt. It is something which is big, which will change your life forever. I said, sir, I am already excited with the Guinness record only. You tell me what is the event. Then he said, we are going to create a record. In fact, we are going to break a record which was set 2 years back. What is that record, sir? Then he said, that record is, there is one person who taught a lesson for 72 hours continuously. What about the sleep? That and all should be managed. 72 hours continuously, and that record you want to break. Yes, and I need your help. Sir, I'll tell my friends, they are very good. They have a good memory also. They will listen properly. They said, no, Rashika, listen, this is going to change your life. This is going to be the biggest event of your life. I was like, okay, fine. Tell me how we should proceed. This is the record. To brief, what was the previous record? There is a school teacher in somewhere in Madhya Pradesh. He taught English grammar for 72 hours. Now, you might be wondering, what about the food and sleep? This is how it works. Every 1 hour, we are allowed to take 5 minutes break. Or we can accumulate this break over the period of 4 hours. Like for example, 4 hours, 20 minutes. 6 hours, 30 minutes. Like this we can accumulate. So it means basically when we are energetic, when we are not sleepy, we will go and take a stretch of 8 hours controlling everything which is in our control. And when we cannot control certain things, that is when we break. But we will not take entire break. Like for example, 30 minutes break, we won't take 30 minutes. We will take only 15 minutes break, do whatever is necessary outside and then come back. So it means we will save the 15 minutes and we postpone this 15 minutes for the later part of the time. So this is how it works. This is how some stupid fellow taught English grammar to 20 students. So it means in his class, when Khatri teaches the lesson, there should be in the class more than 20 students. Minimum 21 should be there for the record to hold good, and we have to continue and break it for 72 hours and set a new record. Obviously this was exciting. This was exciting for me. Then I told, sir, how many you need students? He said, like I said, minimum 21. I'll give you 40. He said, give me 21 enough. I said, sir, no problem, I'll get 40. And from then on, for the next 3 days, what we did is, there were 5 MBA colleges in the vicinity of JP Nagar, Jayanagar, that is in Bangalore. So we went to all the MBA colleges and then we started excitedly telling about this. This is going to be the biggest event, this, that, we hyped it so much. You know, as it is, we are going to win the World Cup. And at the end of the 3rd day, we got 38 registrations. And once we got this is the biggest event of our lives. So what we did is, for 6 months we planned in advance. We said for 6 months, all of us who are smokers, non-smokers, drinkers, all these people should have a discipline. So people who are smoking, they quit. People who couldn't quit, they quit this expedition. So finally we were left with 35 students. All the 3 people, they couldn't control their smoking and drinking habits, so they left. So 35 students over a period of 6 months. Every day morning 5 o'clock we used to get up. Biggest event of our lives. So we used to get up, do yoga for 1 hour and then run for 1 hour. Like this we did along with Khatri. And we chose a topic, not English grammar. I told, if it is English grammar or mathematics, you please do on your own. So the topic which we chose was Gandhi's life and how it will influence our future generation. That was the topic. And under this subheading, we will decide. Khatri is a corporate trainer. He told, I will cover all the aspects of personality development. So for 6 months, every single book written about Gandhi, every single movie made on Gandhi, we watched. In fact, I watched. And I used to make notes. After 5.5 months, I felt so bad about Gandhi. If someone says Gandhi, I would run away from there. I was so frustrated. Because I felt like I am Gandhi. And that is the time when actually hair also started dropping. So then I am thinking, am I becoming Gandhi actually? And then 6 months, just before 1 month the event, we did a mock run. For 58 hours we did. It was successful. We were pretty sure we were going to create a new record. And the record which we wanted to create for 78 hours. And then the D-Day came. First day, somehow we managed. 4 hours, 6 hours at a stretch we were doing. Second day, everyone started hallucinating. That was something doctor said. If now someone doesn't sleep, they'll start hallucinating. And then you have to look at the kind of hallucination. Okay? No, I want her, I want her. Someone started shouting. I said, whom you want? I said, I want her, I want her. He was going, he was hallucinating. He laughed and then he said, whom do you want? I said, I don't know, I want her. Like that. At the end of the third day, when we created the 78 hours record, only 32 were left, and then we created the record. It's a new record, 78 hours. Now, all the 32 students, you have to see the way we used to walk. You know, Guinness record. Guinness record, 72 hours, 78 hours reprogram, like that. And then we thought, you know, all the newspapers will cover it. No newspaper covered it. For the next 3 days in colleges, everywhere we told we are part of a Guinness record. What is that? Longest hair? No. It's a record called 78 hours continuous training. Someone was teaching, we are there. Stupid record. This was the reaction we gave. The biggest event of our lives fizzled out to be nothing in front of a lot of people. So if you look at it, a lot of us, we take it like this. Our lives, we are the most self-important. When we update the status update, 100 likes. We'll get 1 like after 1 hour. And then we'll okay, we are not that big. We all have that image about ourselves. We are the biggest people. We are the biggest people. We can create the biggest impact. But then again, in the entire gamut of things, like Stephen, what is the name? Stephen Hawking, he says, in the entire gamut of things, we are just a speck. We are not that big. We are here for a shorter trip around the sun for a few days, few years, and then we will go off. As long as we are here, let's enjoy. Let's not think that we are bigger than anything, because no matter how big we become, no matter how great we become, there is one thing always bigger than all of us. Universe. Back to you.